Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ka BJP Meghalaya henne kasngi ula Pynbna patba yaki kerteng jongki Nongkitkam Bathymmai jong kaseng ha ka jilla habakran ha ka ne kasngi State President ka BJP Rikman G Momin ulayatho ba National President ka BJP JP Nanda ula Pynbna yaki dikhot Bathymmai ban Pynkhreh na ka Bynta ke Ilekshon ka banwan ya ka ne ka kanhon thamai la IT Bakin penklan ya kaseng na do tenrai banya lap ya ki kam ki ba menteri rang ba do kari ulale haman ki Bynta jong ka jela
prepares itself for the future election in the state. The national president Sri JP Nanda ji has approved on a new state team to oversee the organizational preparation for 2028. I will now announce it accordingly. As approved by the National President Sri JP Nanda ji, the following are appointed as State Office Bearer of Bharatiya Janata Party, Meghalaya Pradesh for 2025 to 2028. Sri Bathymmai, Shillong City for State Vice President. Sri Bernard N. Marat, Tura City, State Vice President. Sri Lakonbiam, West Jaintia Hills, State Vice President. Dr. Srimati Bernadette Lingdo, Shillong City, State Vice President. Engineer Bipin Pradhan, Shillong City, State Vice President. Sri Anil Hajong, Tura City, State Vice President. Engineer Wangkipok Posta, Shillong City as State General Secretary, and Sri Amitabh Saha, West Garo Hills as State General Secretary. Srimati N.G. Alicia A. Sangma, Tura City, State Secretary. Srimati Belbora Wankar, East Khasi Hills, State Secretary. Srimati Danielia L. Nonglai, Shillong City as State Secretary. Srimati Suki Paryat, Shillong City as State Secretary. Sri Commander Full, East Jaintia Hills, State Secretary, and Sri Wilbur Dango Mara, Tura City as State Secretary. Engineer Sarwan Junjunwala, Tura City as State Treasurer, Shillong City, State Treasurer. Sri Ashok Singhania, Shillong City, State Joint Treasurer. Sri Sebastiaji Goose, Shillong City Media Convener. Sri Marihom Karkaran, Shillong City Chief Spokesperson. Sri Sarat Bauri, Shillong City IT Convener. Sri Freddy Aaron Kahit, Shillong City for Social Media Convener. Srimati Deepika D, Office Secretary, and Sri Diaz Singh Rathore as State Self Convener. These are the State Office Bearer. State election for 2028. We're getting ready for ourselves. We're starting our organizational work right from now.
So will you be delinking from NPP in the coming days?
Pardon?
Will you be delinking yourself from NPP?
No, that depends on the central leadership, because since NPP is alliance with the BJP, so it with the NDA, so NPP is still with the alliance with us.
But this has affected your poll performance now. Till last moment you will be sticking with NPP, then you go alone for the assembly elections.
So that will be answered by the state leaders, central leaders.
I mean, will it not be impacting?
No, why should it be?
Okay, coming to the
Non-performer and some of them has shifted to some other party.
Is it true that Bathymmai is joining BJP?
That I didn't have any news about it. I only heard it.
Former MLAs or anyone has sent feelers to join BJP?
Yeah, time will tell for that.
Any former MLAs has sent feelers to join BJP?
No, there is many. We are welcoming everyone to join our party, to join for the party, to work for the country, to work for the state.